Oh, I'm such a morning person. Let's breathe. Oh, I love that. It's beautiful. Well, guess what? Guess what, everyone? I can't find my passport.
No!
I have no idea where my passport is, and that's a problem. I feel like this is the audacity of myself. I mean, who can I blame? Who can I blame? Who can I blame? Who can I blame? What is all this stuff anyway? Let's check over here. None of the damn drawers will even close because there's so much junk in the trunk. my hump, junk in the trunk. Check it out. Okay. Oh. This is actually a problem. This is actually a problem because I only put my passport in two separate places. And I'm looking over here. This is my desk area. This is where I work. And it's not here. It's not here. I don't wear purses. So like I do remember having it in a purse, but I don't wear purses anymore. So I'm like, how could it... I don't know. I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to be the reason why. You know that song by Rihanna? Normally, my passport stays in my passport case that my best friend bought me. It says my name on it. But, you know, the little bitch isn't in here. You know what is in here? Some cool stuff. I'll show you guys. Okay, look. This is a Singaporean $10 bill. How cool. And this is a South African $10. Oh, you know what I just noticed? I have all 10s. And then this is a Singaporean $5 bill. And this is a, like, information card about the flight I took from, I don't remember. I was really drunk on that flight, by the way. I also got a picture with the captain on that flight. I have a feeling it's in my room somewhere. Let's go find out. I haven't made my bed yet, so don't judge me. I kind of want to just jump in the bed. I'm tired. Like, I don't want to deal with this. Ooh. Oh, I think it's in here. Please be in here. This is the only other purse I would use. Crazy to think that, like, I used to be so irresponsible when I was younger. Like, for some reason, I would always lose my house keys. Like, all the time. Like, just... And then I would, like, yeah. So bad. It's really quiet in my house right now. I love it. It's very peaceful. I think I'm gonna walk to the park and read a book. I want some matcha. I want like a really good matcha. But we're just gonna make some coffee. I don't have matcha here. And we're balling on a budget. Actually, let's make fucking breakfast. You guys wanna make breakfast with me? Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is breakfast. have protein, some Greek yogurt, and cucumbers, and cuties. I forgot what they were called for a second. Breakfast. Okay, so I ended up taking like a 3-hour nap. Like, wow. But this is the life of being single, having no children. You know, nothing's going on in my house. It's pretty boring in here. Bag's always packed just in case I need to go somewhere. Actually, the bag's empty. My best friend got me a Rimowa suitcase. Oh, she's so lucky. She's a star. But I did manage to order some produce from Instacart. So after I get back from the gym, we're gonna juice together. Yeah, baby. I absolutely love juicing. Okay, sprouts. We're gonna have to talk because when you have celery, the leaves are the most nutritious part and they tend to cut them off, which is really weird. But we got some turmeric, some ginger, cucumber, lemon, parsley, and a green pepper. That is gonna be a great juice. This is my vitamin bag, ignore her. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish my coffee that I made at 2 in the afternoon, but I'm tired. My body is tired. But hey, it's Sunday. It's Memorial Day weekend, so I'm listening to my body, okay? If you wanna sleep, girl, get your sleep. I crack myself up. And now that I have like this little Osmo vlogging situation, people get to like explore my brain with me. Like, I'm trying to be like aesthetically pleasing, but like I'm not. I'm fucking funny. I'm fucking funny. We already found the passport this morning, right? And like when things go missing, it's just my heart drops. Oh, I know where they are. They're in my fanny pack, which is right here. So, what's in my fanny pack? Oh, my car keys. Speaking of car keys, look at my elephant. I got her in South Africa. She's a South African elephant. Isn't she so cute? She's so pretty. She's adorable. Credit cards, we don't need. All we need are headphones and my Fenty glow stick, baby. If you don't know, now you know. I always add liquid chlorophyll. It's the natural deodorizer, but internal deodorizer and activated charcoal. These two, whoo! Don't know what I would do without you two. But there's already some in there, and there's fresh cucumber in there already. Cucumber, yeah. Oh, that's what I forgot. Pineapple for the juice later. Whatevs. walks, I always pick rosemary and just smell it the whole way I'm walking. It's so fresh. Ah!